Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video guys, we are going to be talking about the WUMP airdrop. So we are going to be talking about the WUMP airdrop, and this airdrop is free, meaning that you don't need to invest on it. You basically get rewarded based on your Discord age. Alright, so you don't need to do anything. All you have to do is simply check how old is your Discord, just like we checked it on Telegram. Check how old is your Discord and find out how old it is, and according to how old your Discord is, since it was created, you are going to be rewarded with the WUMP token. So the link to start this is going to be right there on the video description box, so click on the link to get started right now. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is, once you have clicked the link, I've got yourself right here, you go ahead and click on log in with Discord account. I will click on it right now, and it is going to be asking you to actually authorize this website to connect with your Discord, and of course find out how old your Discord is. And once you have find out how old your Discord is, immediately you are going to be getting rewarded. So I will click on authorize right now to authorize the connection, and right now guys, immediately it is going to be telling you how old your Discord is. And of course right here in this case, I have already checked it and I have been able to find out how old mine was. And when you click over here on reward right now, you're gonna see that right here guys, they're gonna be telling you how old your account is. And of course this is the reward that I got for how old my account is. And of course when you look over here, we have referral reward. This is the reward I've got through referral. All right, so welcome to my channel. I'm Crypto Mechanic, and on this channel I teach you all about airdrop, and I help you make money for free in the crypto space. And I also guide you on airdrops to make sure that you qualify and be able to cash out from it. All right, so this is another edition, and you should take this one very serious. And this is the first type of airdrop to actually utilize Discord to determine how much users are gonna be getting from the airdrop, something like that. Okay, so right there guys, once you have gotten your account right, like just like I've got mine, then you have a couple of social tasks for you to complete right here. For example, we have the daily check-in, which actually offers you 200 WUMP token every single day. And of course when you add WUMP to your Discord name, you are going to be getting 2000 WUMP token. And of course when you follow their X account, you are going to be getting about 1000 WUMP token. And we have the referral reward right here, which I think I've been able to get a good number of referrals, so I'll be trying to claim it right now. Okay, let's see what we're gonna have right here. Okay, and immediately right now I have been able to claim all the reward for the referral, and you can see over here my balance has been actually has increased right here. So right now I'm gonna have to take my time to actually complete all the social tasks, and once all the social tasks are completed, then the next thing is for me to be coming in and be checking in every single day so that my reward will keep on increasing. All right, so take note that this is actually a brand new airdrop. All right, so more information are gonna be coming out about this project in the future, so I will always keep you guys posted, and I will keep you guys updated regularly on all about this airdrop called WUMP. And we're looking over here right now, you can see this is of course the point that I've earned, and this is my rank globally. All right, so I'm actually the the 5012th person right here. And when you look over here, these are the people that are actually topping right here. So everything right here is straightforward, and you should go ahead and of course engage on this airdrop. It is totally free, and you don't have to do any extra work before you can be able to earn. So we are looking forward to get more information about this airdrop, and it is going to be communicated through our Telegram. And if you want to be joining our Telegram, the link is going to be right there on the video description box. And I will complete the task, and this is the end of the video. I will talk to you guys on the next video that is going to be dropping very soon.